Now, good news is, after the funds have been approved, 1.5 years still they can be used. So it's a long period of time because we know that reconstruction takes time. And you have described the speed, but also the difficulties. What we also encounter is that sometimes if you have such a massive destruction, it is difficult to find all the experts you need to rebuild in every different spot where the disaster happened. So therefore the deadline is very long, 1.5 years to go, which is quite a while.